Vehicle documentation and mileage logs. Federal tax deductions for content creators, Segment 5, Vehicle documentation and mileage tracking. This video is part of a multi-segment series that breaks down federal tax deductions for self-employed content creators earning income from platforms like YouTube and the Amazon Influencer Program. A complete list of all segments, along with links to each one, can be found in the video description, allowing you to watch the full series in order or jump directly to specific topics. Before we begin, please note that this content is provided for informational and educational purposes only. While this material is based on detailed research and current tax guidelines, it is not intended to replace professional tax, legal, or financial advice. Tax laws can change, and individual situations vary. You are responsible for verifying information and consulting with a qualified professional regarding your own circumstances. When it comes to vehicle deductions, documentation is not optional. The IRS requires that you be able to substantiate business use of your vehicle, regardless of which deduction method you choose. The most important piece of documentation is a mileage log. A mileage log records the date of each business trip, the distance driven, and the business purpose of the trip. This log can be kept in a physical notebook, a spreadsheet, or a mileage tracking app. What matters is that it is accurate, consistent, and maintained regularly. In addition to logging individual trips, you should also record your vehicle's odometer reading at the beginning and end of the year. This establishes your total annual mileage and helps support the percentage of business use you are claiming. If you use the actual expense method, documentation becomes even more important. In that case, you must keep receipts or statements for fuel, maintenance, insurance, registration, repairs, and any other vehicle-related costs. The IRS may ask not only how much you spent, but also how you determined the business use percentage. Without a mileage log, vehicle deductions are one of the easiest expenses for the IRS to disallow. Even if your expenses are legitimate, lack of documentation can result in the deduction being denied. The good news is that maintaining a mileage log does not need to be complicated. Many people use mobile apps that automatically track trips and allow you to label them as business or personal. Others prefer manual methods. What matters is that the log is created close to the time of travel and reflects real usage. Reconstructing mileage months later based on memory alone is risky and discouraged. Consistency matters more than perfection. A clear, reasonable log that aligns with your claimed deduction goes a long way toward protecting you. Be sure to join us next time as we move into another common mixed-use expense for content creators, cell phones, including how to determine a reasonable business use percentage and avoid common mistakes.